All right, so this is I'm gonna defer to you. I'm having
Did you disengage? You haven't disengaged the ball
No, that's what I'm saying.
From the
I haven't
shaft?
had a chance to disengage it yet.
The cock and balls are not apart. It's almost out.
How do you
pulling
know?
out.
How long is it?
It changes depending how much you rub it. It's always like this.
So anyway, you take a look at it and you figure it out because that's all the further I've been able to get it.
All right, Sherman. Wow. You and we just pulled out together.
Well, it was DP.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about this right now.
Don't kill me with that, please.
Thunk.
Who wants to push on the wheels again?
Now, let's just.
You want to just leave it be and try to pull her out? I think we should drop her down.
And see what happens.
Well, we have like another inch here. That's the problem.
It's out of its position.
It's just
and we
kinda
need
hung
to
up.
drop the back of the
Trans to let it fall.
so we can get to these bolts.
All right. So, do you want to carefully do that while I supervise from under here?
I'm here.
I'm filming.
I can't supervise myself.
I'm just filming. There you go. Oh, I like that. That was good. Look you can see the ball.
Space. You're not
I know.
Hey Sherman, we could have just undone the ball.
It didn't say. It said disconnect. Well, we could try.
If you undo the ball, it'll come out.
Well, you want to do that? Why don't we do that?
Give me 9/16
$9.16.
on a Rache.
That's a crusty ball.
Those balls are crusty. That isn't that much. Hasn't been played with in a while. Needs to be jangled. See what I mean?
That is that ball.
Is this?
See?
Oh, that's why it leaks.
No, it's fucking done.
That's why it leaks.
Fast enough. That was cool. It was like a pace.
Yeah.
Oh well. Studies. We just go straight up these holes, yeah?
Looks like it. I see two hole. I see two.
Oh
Yes,
yeah.
two.
There's one there.
Yeah, I think
Straight
let's
up.
Go straight up into
What
the
size
hole.
is that?
Looks like 9/16.
Oh, we got
Yeah, we
9/16.
already got that found on the lot. You need a longer extension?
Maybe. Yeah, I can't get in the hole. It's too short to go in the hole.
I've heard that.
What else is new?
I figured you'd resort to such sophomore humor.
That's a big word.
Sitting right here.
Come on.
Yeah, oh no, he's like a one-armed bandit.
Yeah, let somebody else do
Yeah,
that.
you want us to wrench?
All right, somebody
Here,
bust their knuckles because it's gonna make you not
you need
feel
a breaker
good.
bar?
Put a longer
No, just
thing
put-
on
Yeah.
it.
Put some ass behind it. It's fine. Oh, nice. You might have slipped off.
I might need how about a mallet or something?
We'll just put a
Not
piece of
saying
pipe.
put a longer extension.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bud.
Extend.
What's what?
Nah,
I don't know. I know this is.
part of the brakes somehow.
Yes, that is the treadle vac. And that is the vacuum reservoir.
Or what's that?
The thing. It's chingaderas. Grant, we'll get to it when we get to it.
Ron.
You make me sad.
Sherman bust the nuts.
Not Buffalo.
Well, that's got to have been.
No, go ahead. Wow.
Sure.
You gotta like see it from the
You can see
side.
it from here, like on this in the front here. Yeah, you can see it right there.
I'm going in the hole.
Look where the belt is.
Are we in?
Here's back a little bit.
Missed out on it. I was one person too late.
Here.
We can.
Oh, girl, you get it.
We can guide you.
20 scare of portable boring.
There you go.
We're having trouble.
It's all gummed up with all the
The schmutz?
schmutz.
Is it full of schmutz?
Yeah, oh, I got a screwdriver. De-schmutz it.
De-schmutzing? De-schmutz?
Can you see it?
Are you in the wrong hole?
That's my judge of whether
I didn't even mean that. No, wrong hole. Here. Wait.
So I'll walk in and say I want 40 over, 60 over on a vintage engine.
Yeah, too small.
Yeah.
Go back to
There's two.
1916.
Yeah. There's two over here, boys.
Yeah, that's interesting. So is there two on?
Yeah.
There's two over there as
Oh, we
well.
only got.
This one has a piece of schmutz in the way.
Oh, by the way, where's the nut? Because
I didn't pull it.
Okay.
So this piece of schmutz.
3/8, right? This is half.
No, you need 9/16.
Here, 9/16 is here.
Let me see. Is it all clean?
Did you have the nut?
There's another one up here. Here. There's two on each side, gentlemen.
Yeah, so
Oh, girl.
Oh, girl.
Is dirty.
Okay, but you must.
Dirty girl.